Alright, boys and girls, knocked a few of the dents out. I mean, it's not perfect. You really can't get in there. But I painted it a little bit. You can't get in there too, because this is the pinch weld. So I knocked it out as much as I could without banging it up. And gave a little paint on it so it don't rust. Painted the rear bumper over here. Let's see if I can get you in the sun. But as soon as, so the paint I got is oil-based paint. I know it don't match. But I know Honda uses water-based paint. It didn't affect anything on the body of the car. But all this shit started peeling. So keep that in mind if you're doing your own little home repair there. All the pieces that didn't flake off when I started scraping it before I painted it, they started peeling after I painted it. So that's about that. Painted that little spot there. That was starting to bubble over. What else did I want to show you? We got, so couldn't get that sucker working. I mean, I took it apart. I played with it. I soldered every piece inside of there. I tried finding where the power ends through the board. I don't know. Things just shit. I know every one of these cars has this problem. So you know, got one of those. Not super ghetto, but pretty ghetto. Bluetooth comes up to the radio. The door speakers were good in this car. They didn't sound the best, but they were good. But the rear speakers were absolutely shot. They had a deal for the 4 speakers for $60 at Walmart. Now, they were Sonys. I'm not a big fan of Sonys, but they sound pretty good. Oh, we got this sucker right here. They want $9 for this stupid clip. Are you kidding? And then you got to ship it. So I put one of them small panhead screws in there. And that seems to be working out. There you go. So, yeah, we got that. Other than that, she's running good. Passed inspection. Oh, excuse me. Passed inspection. I did this fix here for all the ricers. There you go. That's my ricer wink. I do 90 miles a day. This car, I already put 800 miles on the car. It's good. It's good. I mean, I'm not driving this. I was driving that. That's 7,500 pounds with me in it. 7,800 pounds with me in it. There you go. And that's the wife's. So, all right. You know, quick tips to get your record up and going. I disconnected this switch. I put the regular fuse back in for the radio. This switch was to cut that off. Oh dear. Oh, it's the neighbors. But good call, good call. So we got new 6.5s in the door, new 6x9s in the back. Thing pumps pretty good. I think it's because the doors are so hollow on the inside. When the windows are closed, the front doors give some bass. Sounds good. All right, boys and girls. I think that's it. I wanted to show you the radio and the this might need an adjustment here. All right, neighbor's kid. Good kid. Yeah, all right. All right. You got to put it in there firm. But yeah, you know, they were freaking $8-9 for this stupid thing. Then you got to ship it. Forget that. And the bezel, I cut this out. That's the original. Obviously, it don't push no more. I took the back panel off of this. I don't know if I got the wrong harness. I don't have the back lights up here. But we'll get that going. We're going to get the back lights going on here. All right. Good luck with your projects. All right, boys and girls. Today, 07 Honda Accord. 2.4. Lower control arm bushings in the front. Take the inner bolt out. I didn't even disconnect this. All the videos say to disconnect this. I didn't have the right socket. I tried to use ball joint press, didn't work. Front wheel bearing adapter set. Harbor Freight, doing the trick. Alright, we'll let you know.